Hey guys, Knife Detector here. So I have some knives that I'm going to be making some videos on later on, but I have a lot of videos in mind to do. But I wanted to do a video on this one knife in particular. I believe this is a Bud K knife. It's kind of a unique looking knife, and what I really like about it, the standout part of this knife, is the Stag handle. I think you'll agree with me, it's a beautiful handle on this knife. You're not going to believe the deal I got on this knife. I got this knife for like 15 bucks on eBay. I love the Stag on this knife. It just fits a knife sheath that I made for it just perfectly. It has a Damascus blade. It is a beautiful knife, and I just wanted to share that with you guys today. I'm going to show you some pictures of it coming up, and then after that I'm going to show you some video of the knife. So let me know what you think, guys. It's a gorgeous knife. I haven't thought about selling it just yet. I got this one actually about 6 months ago. I just have several knives that I'm going to be making videos on, and I just haven't had time to make videos on them. So this is a quickie just to let you know this is a good looking knife, and they're out there. After I bought this one, I found another one on eBay for sale going for about 100 bucks. But I paid like 15 for this one, so I'm very happy about that. So in any case, check it out. Okay guys, so here it is. First off, let me show you my sheath. I made this one a while back. It fits several knives. Put a cross pattern on it. I just made it with rivets. It's a simple sheath. I've been using this one made this like 2 years ago. Little did I know that this knife was going to cross my path, and it fits it just beautifully. So check this bad boy out. This bad boy is thick. Let me get a ruler just so you can see how thick this bad boy is. Okay, so it's about 5 inches closed, maybe slightly less than 5 inches closed. Overall length is just shy of 9 inches. What's the thickness of this bad boy? At the thickest point, it's probably an inch thick. Probably at the thickest point. Gorgeous knife. You know, gorgeous knife. I mean, it looks like it's a Pakistan knife, but it's one of the better Pakistan knives I've ever seen. The ridges, the deep ridges on this Stag is just amazing, guys. It's amazing. And you can tell there's some green in there because this was stored for a very long time before I got it. And man, it just fits your hand beautifully, you know. It's a friction folder, as you can see. The spring is not Damascus. Spring is steel, stainless steel probably, and then this is Damascus. It's a good folder. Snaps closed. It's a good looking knife, guys. Check it out. These are out there. You know, sometimes I'll do a search on eBay and I'll just do something like unknown knife, right? I'll search unknown knife and let's see what comes out, right? Usually when I do a search like unknown knife, I get all kinds of stuff that comes out. Sometimes I get some things that are like parts of machinery or other stuff, right? But on this occasion, this is what that search turned up. This bad boy. So I decided to snap up this bad boy quick, right? And like I tell you, you know, some of the things that I do is I hold on to something for a while and then I sell it. And I think this is one I'm going to keep for a while. It seems to be keeping a good edge. I've only used it a couple of times, really. I've carried it mostly. Usually when I go on vacation, you know, I carry this bad boy in this sheath. right here, because as you guys know, on Texas, in Texas, you can carry pretty much any knife you want. So it's a big one. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Tell me what you think. Have a great rest of your weekend. God bless you and your family. And as always, boys, stay sharp.